Zigbee is the most cost-effective smart home protocol for building a reliable local setup. Devices start at €8, batteries last years, and they work without any internet once you have a hub. Here are the 5 best starter devices. Number 1. IKEA TRADFRI Bulbs. At around €8 per bulb, these are the cheapest quality Zigbee bulbs available. They come in dimmable white and warm to cool white tunable versions. Critically, they work with any Zigbee coordinator, not just the IKEA hub. If you already have a Sonoff dongle or Home Assistant Yellow, they pair directly. Start with a few of these to build your Zigbee mesh. Number 2. Aqara Door and Window Sensor. Tiny, reliable, and with a 2-year battery life on a single CR2032 coin cell. This sensor triggers automations when any door or window opens or closes. Security alerts when you're away, lights on when specific doors open, notifications when the garage door is left open. A 3-pack is often under €25 and covers every important entry point in a typical apartment. Number 3. Sonoff SNZB-02D. A temperature and humidity sensor with a built-in display showing current readings. Long battery life, Zigbee 3.0 for reliable connectivity, and genuinely useful data for climate control automations. Place one in every room you care about monitoring. Baby rooms, wine cellars, or anywhere you want temperature-triggered automations. Under €12 and the built-in display adds visibility without needing a dashboard. Number 4. IKEA RODRET Button. A wireless push button that you program to trigger any automation. Stick it anywhere with the included adhesive pad, on a nightstand, inside a cabinet door, or at a desk. One press triggers a scene, toggles lights, or activates any routine you configure. No wiring, no installation, no holes, fully removable. At €8, it's the most versatile and underused tool in the Zigbee ecosystem. Number 5. Sonoff Zigbee Smart Plug. A Zigbee smart plug that extends your mesh network as a router while controlling an appliance. Unlike Wi-Fi plugs that can saturate your network, each Zigbee plug strengthens your mesh by acting as a repeater. It includes energy monitoring in the upgraded version. At around €12, useful as both a controller and a network extender. Start with the IKEA bulbs to build your mesh, add the Aqara sensors for presence and security, and use the RODRET buttons for scene control. The whole starter kit costs under €60. Follow for more Zigbee tips every day.